And hello, my people. What's going on, y'all? You know what I'm saying? I hope everybody's blessed. I hope everybody's staying happy. You know what I'm saying? Word. Go tell somebody you love them. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. I know y'all see that title. I know y'all see the thumbnail. Bow, bow. Hold on. Let's move it up. Back that.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, look at this box, though. Like, let's look at this box real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at this box real quick. Let's just really admire this box. You feel me? Yes, size 10. Size tag reads Varsity Red Black Sale. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP. You see the style code. Bada bing, bada boom. Feel me? Yes, sir. It's like a Jordan 5, 11. Let's get into this. I'm pretty excited for this video. I ain't gonna lie. Let's get it. I'm just excited. I hope y'all are just as excited as I am. If not, it is what it is. I just, you know, these are grails. You feel me? Bada bing. Bada boom. First things first. Lace these up, man. Okay. I ain't gonna lie. I'm putting these yellow laces in. The yellow laces is mandatory. I gotta throw the yellow laces in here. Let's just admire the shoe one more time while we got the opportunity, shall we? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is just things like that you gotta appreciate. I'm really looking at it from the camera's perspective, but let me look at it from this perspective. Because this is really a lot. Like, you gotta understand, y'all. Like, you see this? Like, look at this, bro. Like, look at this. Like, I ain't gonna lie. They shouldn't have did this. This pissed me off. They should have put them in, like, the little plastic bags or the little, you know what I'm saying? Like, the little, you know, the little paper box shit that they put in, you know, the shoestrings in the box nowadays. Give me a second, y'all. All right, so boom. I had to take the freaking shoestrings out and the, you know, the little shoe trees and stuff. Shoestrings and stuff. You understand what I'm saying? Gotta put the shoestrings aside, so if I wanna switch them out later on, you know the vibes. I ain't gonna lie though, I know y'all can see these joints, bro. These shits look good on feet, you heard? And I ain't even lace it up yet. Gangsta. This exposed tongue, pause. This shit hard, you know what I'm saying? This shit hard. Only thing that's blowing my mind is this like papery tag right here. Like, what the fuck, man? That shit blowing minds, but I ain't gonna worry myself too much about that. This shit, yo, bro, these shits is hard. I still got the tag. I'm gonna take that off when I lace this shoe up, so don't worry about that. We gonna start from the left foot to the right foot. But for real, we're just gonna do the left foot. You already know how this get. Doesn't matter which foot is laced up. You already know the moral of the story, the point of view. Bada bing, bada boom. You understand what I'm saying? Let's get straight into this. Give me a second. All right, let's get straight into this. The yellow laces is cracked. You gotta understand, like you see like the yellow outline all around the shoe. You know, I ain't gonna lie, some light blue laces would have been hard. Word of my mother. You got the little Union LA tag right there with the yellow skate. Feels me, you know what I'm saying? Shit like that. But let me stop politicking. Let me get straight into this shit. This leather quality, I wouldn't say it's the best in the world, but this shit soft as fuck on your foot. Speaking of hot minute, man, I'm really waiting for spring, summer so I can really pop out with these. I'm not even trying to wear these yet. I just want to have them laced up already, so once the weather get warm, this is right out the closet. Thanks. Don't forget to turn me up, man. I'm still trying to hit 500 subscribers, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how y'all feel about these. You know what I'm saying? What's your favorite grail? Did you cop these? If you did you get them for retail, resale? Let me know in the comment section below. I ain't gonna lie, I hate this little part in the middle, bro. Word of my mother, I hate this shit. This is the only thing that pisses me off about lacing up ones. Some people don't, like, you know what I'm saying? Skip that, you go over it. Like, nah, I can't do that, I'm sorry. I can't do that, I'm sorry. I gotta do some tweaks and adjustments, but give me a second for that, y'all, if you don't mind. All right, so boom, yeah, final project. The yellow laces, the tumbled leather on the toe box. Like, you have to understand the quality about the shoe is definitely A1. You know what I'm saying? Then you got the stitching around. Let me see if I get the little zoom in on that. Like the yellow all around the edges. Everything about that is hard. Ah, yeah, man. It's a good shoe right here. I know you jacking these. I know y'all jacking these, bro. I know y'all jacking these, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Gangster, stop playing with me, bro. I know y'all jacking these, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was thinking about putting in these laces. You know, the cream and the black ones. But I'm like, man, hell nah. It already got cream and black in it. I want some of that yellow to pop out. You know what I'm saying? Like the yellow, like, bro, that's crack. You understand? These joints. Yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah, la 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 la. Sometimes you just gotta pop out and show niggas, you know what I'm saying? Wait for summertime. Well, you don't even gotta wait for summertime. Wait for the right time. You feel me? Facts. Don't even need to be summer. It could be just wait for the right time. Facts, facts, facts. Oh, these shoes is nice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn me up. Post notifications turned on. I got a new sneaker coming in the mail. I want y'all to turn y'all post notification bell on. So y'all be the first people to see when that shoe drops. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, don't forget to keep turning me up, man. Y'all stay safe, man. Love y'all, man.